Hello everyone. So today I will be demonstrating the script for Katana. Um, it works for the lights for the renderman. So the script looks like this. So I have a scene over here. I will open it once. Yes. So this script executes in two models, like a selection, like we need to select the gaffer first in both the model. Just we need to select the lights in the first model, and in second one we don't need to select anything, just need to select the gaffer. And here all the light groups will be available. We need to select the light group and it will work on those. So for the first one I will show, if I select the light selection and I will select few of the lights and I will change the intensity to 10. Okay, so there are two buttons, absolute and the relative one. Absolute one will change the value, like whatever value it will be, it will change it to 10. And the relative one will change, if it has a value of 5, it will add a value of 10. And if it has a value of 10, it will add more 10 values. And it will, like, if we keep a minus sign over here, it will just subtract it, like or if there is a value of 1 over here, it will minus 10, 1 minus 10. We can even check this. Yes. So it works like this. So like the similar one, for the exposure it works like a value of 10. If I am setting it an absolute one, it will just change it. For the relative one, if I do minus 2 relative, it will change it. As you are seeing, like a PXR portal won't work. PXR portal doesn't have intensity and exposure, so it doesn't work. It won't give an error because if you have multiple lights selected and giving you an error will it will stop the script and you will need to select it properly. So and there is no error, but it won't work. Okay. So other than this, you can do the same thing with the light group. I will show you. If we select the light group and just need to click on the reload, and we will get the light group names. If I select the light group LG1, whichever light group it will be, and if I change the color for this one to blue and just set it, whichever light it would be LG1, it would change it for that. If it was not having a curve like this, because the curve value, like these are the animated values, it won't get changed. So we will need to check it, like which is uh, LG1. We can check it over here, LG1. So LG1 is also the PXR portal light, so unfortunately that won't work. So if I change any other, like LG2, and set it, it will change. Okay, you can see the value, it will replicate it. There is one more color value multiplier. It will just, like if we select um, the value over here as zero point 0.2, zero point 0.8, zero point 0.2, or zero point 0.3 again. Okay, and I select the dome light for now. Okay, so if you see, it is replicating the same value, but if you have these value, like right now it is not the 1, it will multiply the value of R with R. Okay, so if I'm right now again doing the same click, it will just multiply 0 0.2 with the 0 0.2, and it will replicate it. Okay, and there is even an option for camera visibility. Okay, so if I change it and click on set, and if I check the PXR disk light, the camera, oh sorry, we need to select the light group. Okay, so yes, it will change it properly. Okay, And for the same, we can do it in selection. Okay. And we can even select all the lights at one and give the light group name. Like for this, I am selecting these three lights and I'm writing some light group name, which is like ML11 and setting it. Okay. So if I check for the mesh light, it will be changed. As it was an expression, then also it will work, but only it won't work where there is a curve. Like it won't be having a curve here, but for here it won't work. Okay. And for the similar thing, we can even select the light groups. Like we need to transfer one of the light group to another. Uh, if we check like that, like I want to change the light group 2 to light group 5. So I will select everything, and these were the light group 2 previously, so it changed to light group 5. We can even select the lights as per the light groups. Like if you see, this button won't be highlighted when we are in the light selection mode, but when we change to light group mode, the selection will be changed. So if I select the light group 5 and I select it, whichever light group is light group, whichever light is light group 5, it will select it. Simple. And there are like the help dialogues, which are in the side, like which will mention the same thing which we have tried over here. And most important thing, the camera visibility option. Like we use the default lights also, and we just give the material from PRmin as this light and a disk light. So it is a normal light on which we have assigned a shader for a Pixar disk light. So all the attribute will work on this except these camera visibility. I haven't mentioned this because the camera visibility option is not directly connected over here. So that option is not working. Other than this, it will work. If you even like to check it, you can check it in the attribute and write the camera visibility. And if I even try to change it, it won't change. Okay, but if I change the color, it will change it properly. Okay, it will multiply it properly. Everything will happen, just the camera visibility won't work. Hmm, okay, the limitation is the similar as the light rename tool as we were having. Like we need to select one of the gaffer and we need to select the light if we are in the light selection mode. If we haven't selected any of the lights and we do any change, like if you see, if I am changing this, so it will error out, select the lights of the gaffer node. And if there is a sync selection off, like this should always be on. So if I change it, it will error out like the sync selection in and out should be is checked. Like we need to be in and out mode and not only like off or out mode. So these are the things. Thank you. Hope it will be helpful.